Severe weather slamming into our region this afternoon, leaving thousands without power and prompting several weather alerts. Here's a live look at downtown Pittsburgh, where the sunshine has returned, but it comes as more rain is expected through the evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Josh Taylor. Erica Stanish has the night off, and today is a KDKA First Alert Weather Day. Severe storms have caused thousands to be without power, along with several severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings. First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright has been tracking those storms throughout the day. Trey, what is the timetable for those storms right now?
Well, Josh, we are in a little bit of a break in the activity after that initial wave that came through, but there is a second wave that is starting to develop in central Ohio. I want to show you the damage reports that we've had so far this afternoon. This has been a widespread damaging wind event to move across central Ohio into southwest PA. 69 wind reports. People injured as well. We've had numerous reports of damage. We'll show you a little bit later on as this powerful line of thunderstorms has worked its way through between roughly 2 and 4 p.m. That has moved off to the east, but now this is our new wave of thunderstorms that is developing back around the Columbus area. The atmosphere has destabilized again, so these are turning severe very quickly, and they are moving off to the east and southeast. Now, for areas of northwest PA, areas north and west of Pittsburgh, the chance of storms is lower, so it's likely for areas near and south of I-70 down into northern portions of West Virginia, they're going to have the highest chance of seeing more storms this evening. This is one of our high-resolution models. Don't take this verbatim, but see that the general picture with this will have the next round of thunderstorms working its way to the south and east by 8 to 9 p.m. Washington, Greene, Fayette, Monongalia counties already hit very hard this evening, and we'll see that work its way through between roughly 8 and 11 p.m. before our storm threat diminishes. Overnight temperatures will drop down into the mid-60s. Fog will develop tomorrow morning. We're going to take a close look at some of the storm damage and look ahead to an active pattern developing next week coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, Trey, and with severe weather earlier this afternoon, thousands across our region are without power. First Energy reports over 50 to 7,000 customers in our area are without power. Duquesne Light has also been working to get power back on for those in our area. At 3:30, Duquesne Light reported around 830 customers were without power. As of now, less than 200 remain without power.